Here's how to set up timer resolution for the lowest possible input delay in games. Download timer resolution from the link in the description. Extract the file, then right-click Timer Resolution and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Run in Compatibility Mode, and set it to Windows Vista. Also check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Double-click to open Timer Resolution and confirm Yes for admin access. Inside, click the Maximum button several times until your current resolution drops to 0.5, then close the window. Open CMD as administrator and run the commands from the description in the exact order shown: first command, second command, third command. If you get an error on the third command, ignore it and continue. Reopen Timer Resolution and click Maximum a few times again to confirm the current resolution is back at 0.5. From now on, open Timer Resolution before gaming, click Maximum a few times until it shows 0.5, and then start your game. Do this each session since the setting resets when you restart your PC. The lower timer resolution reduces the gap between frames being processed by Windows, which translates directly to lower input delay. You will feel the difference most in fast-paced games where responsiveness matters. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.